Good morning, students. Today I tell you about the derivation. What is the derivation? Derive an expression of torque on a magnetic dipole in a uniform magnetic field. Again, clear. Derive an expression of torque on a magnetic dipole in a uniform magnetic field. Then this is the magnetic field V. But before starting the derivation, I tell you about what is magnetic dipole. Listen, if two poles of the magnet are equal in strength but are set in opposite direction at a minimum distance are called magnetic dipole. For example, bar magnet. Again, if two poles of the bar magnet are equal in strength, for example this and this, and opposite in direction, these two poles are set in opposite direction at a minimum distance, are called magnetic dipole. For example, bar magnet, magnetic needle is the examples of magnetic dipole. Then I start the derivation. This is the magnet, this arrow represents the magnetic field, and a bar magnet is moving in the clockwise direction in the magnetic field, and it is moving at an angle of theta. What is clockwise direction? In this direction where the pins of the clocks are moved is clockwise direction. The pins of the clocks are moved in clockwise direction. Clear? Then in previous lecture I tell you about the formula of torque. Torque equals to IAB sin theta. Then if the current passing in the magnetic dipole is I, small I, and the area of the magnetic surface of the magnetic dipole is A, capital A, then formula is torque equals to IAB sin theta. In this derivation, you start this derivation from this formula. Not to derive this formula, we start this derivation from this formula. Clear? When we imagine in this magnetic dipole, there are number of turns of the wire on the magnetic dipole are N, capital N. There are number of turns of the wires are N in magnetic dipole. Then the torque equals to NIAV sin theta. Clear? This is the equation number 1. Then in electric field, you remember that when we do study about in electricity, in first chapter, the formula of torque in electric field is torque equals to P sin theta, equation number 2. When from equation first and 2, sin theta, E is electric field and V is magnetic field. From equation first and second, P is equivalent to NIA. P is equivalent to NIA. It is called magnetic, but P is the electric dipole. P is equal to NIA. Sin theta, V is magnetic field and E is electric field. Then P is equivalent to NIA. But P is the electric dipole moment. Small p is the electric dipole moment and Nia belongs to magnetism. Therefore Nia is called magnetic dipole moment and it is represented by M. Nia is called magnetic dipole moment and it is represented by M. This is the equation number 3rd. I tell you about what is magnetic dipole moment. If the value of N is 1, the formula is M equals to I into A. If the value of N is 1, the formula is M equals to IA. I is the current and A is the area. The product between the current and the area of the magnetic dipole is called magnetic dipole moment. The area of the current, the value of the current and area of the surface of the magnetic dipole is called magnetic dipole moment. M equals to NIA. What is the unit of magnetic dipole? The unit of current is ampere and the unit of area is meter square. Ampere into meter square. On putting the value of equation 3rd in equation 2. On putting the value of equation 3rd in equation 2, we get then in equation 1 we get, on putting the value of equation 3rd in equation 1 we get torque equals to mb sin theta. Again I repeat this derivation. Listen, what is the derivation? Derive an expression of torque on a magnetic dipole in a uniform magnetic field. Then first I tell you about what is magnetic dipole. If two poles of the magnet are equal in strength and opposite in direction are set at a minimum distance is called magnetic dipole. Clear? Then this arrow represents the magnetic field and magnetic dipole is moved in the magnetic field at an angle of theta in clockwise direction. Clear? Or this is the situated in the magnetic field. This is the magnetic dipole is in the magnetic field at an angle of theta. Then the formula of torque in previous lecture, I tell you about the formula of torque. Torque equals to IAB sin theta. If this bar magnet is covered by number of turns of the wires R N, then the torque equals to NIAB sin theta, equation number 1. In previous days, when we do the electricity, the formula of torque in electric field is torque equals to P sin theta. This is the equation number 2. When we compare equation 1 and 2, sin theta, V is the magnetic field and E is the electric field. P is equivalent to NIA and P is called electric dipole moment. But NIA is related to magnetism. Therefore, it is called magnetic dipole moment. M. What is the definition of magnetic dipole moment? If the value of N is 1, the product between the current and area is called magnetic dipole moment and the unit is ampere into meter square. On putting the value of equation 3 in equation 1. Formula is torque equals to mb sin theta. You prepare this derivation and note in the copy. And this topic is complete. I will meet you again in next class. Thank you.